All American Pharmaceutical, the company that empowers you to build real drug-free muscle with superior supplementation, presents Kre-Alkalyn, the original 100% stable pH-correct creatine. You'll never look at creatine the same way again. Kre-Alkalyn effectively unlocks more muscle-fueling potential from creatine. It drives greater lifting power over creatine monohydrate by over 28% and sustains stamina and endurance by an astounding 118% over creatine monohydrate. But the most amazing feature of Kre-Alkalyn is that it's 100% completely stable in a liquid environment for the equivalent of 6 years. This means that unlike all other forms of creatine we tested, only Kre-Alkalyn will stay stable when you mix it with your favorite beverage. Now you can pre-mix your creatine in your beverage of choice, take as long as you would like to consume it, and still have 100% completely viable creatine. This is only possible because Kre-Alkalyn molecules themselves are engineered with a pH of 12. This alkaline attribute helps to prevent the conversion of Kre-Alkalyn into useless and potentially harmful creatinine. Creatinine is the natural byproduct of creatine metabolism. However, not only is creatinine completely useless for powering muscles, in high enough levels it's potentially harmful to the body. This is why keeping creatine stable is so critical. You see, once in an aqueous solution, every other creatine we tested converted to creatinine within minutes, and astonishingly, most converted within seconds. This means users of these creatines would likely be drinking mostly useless creatinine if they didn't chug it immediately after mixing. However, the remaining creatine would still have to face the acidic environment of the stomach. It's amazing that any traditional creatine makes it to muscle at all. By engineering Kre-Alkalyn pH-correct creatine, All American Pharmaceuticals help to resolve the known side effects of other forms of creatine. Kre-Alkalyn does not convert to creatinine in aqueous solutions. It's like getting extra horsepower out of your creatine. For many, Kre-Alkalyn starts to work from the very first serving, no loading necessary. Users may experience results with as little as 1 to 3 grams a day. With Kre-Alkalyn, less is truly more. No other creatine can claim to buffer creatine, not without infringing upon a rapidly guarded patent. You see, Kre-Alkalyn is protected by a patent that covers all levels of pH, from 7 to 14. Once again, this means that based on our research, all other popular forms of creatine on the market today will convert to creatinine in an aqueous environment. Only Kre-Alkalyn is 100% stable. Let's review. When in liquid, Kre-Alkalyn is 100% stable and will not convert to creatinine. Kre-Alkalyn outperformed creatine monohydrate in every one of our tests. Kre-Alkalyn does not need to be mixed in juice or added to carbohydrates. As little as 1 to 3 grams per day of Kre-Alkalyn may generate optimal results. Kre-Alkalyn uniquely supports strength, energy, stamina, and endurance. Without question, serious athletes consider creatine a must-have supplement. According to our extensive research, there is only one logical choice: the one and only 100% stable Kre-Alkalyn. Kre-Alkalyn is conveniently available in powder, liquid, and capsule form. The way we see it, Kre-Alkalyn is the only choice. To learn more, visit allamericanpharmaceutical.com.